Have you ever wondered what really goes into making that slice of American cheese? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the science and history behind this iconic processed food. American cheese is a type of processed cheese which starts as ordinary cheese like cheddar or Colby. It's then mixed with emulsifying salts to create its smooth and uniform texture. Processed cheese wasn't invented in the US, but it became popular here. It emerged in the early 20th century as a more convenient and longer-lasting alternative to traditional cheeses. To be legally called American cheese, the product must contain real cheese. However, it can also include milk, protein, and emulsifiers to enhance its consistency and shelf life. Even organic brands like Organic Valley produce processed cheese. Their American cheese slices have won awards, proving that quality can be found in this category despite its reputation. The process of making American cheese involves pasteurizing and mixing the cheese with emulsifying salts, which help to blend flavors evenly and create a stable consistency. In summary, American cheese is a processed product that starts as traditional cheese but goes through additional steps for uniformity. Its history and production are fascinating examples of food engineering. Now you know the process behind American cheese. What fact about processed cheese surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments below.